Now, Biden buddy Chuck Schumer also warrants a special shout-out tonight. Now, back in 2004, the New York senator saw to it that a $200,000 earmark went to Geese Peace. Now, this is an animal rights group that devotes itself to saving Canada geese through non-lethal methods. Now, this was Schumer's attempt to solve the problem of an overpopulation of geese, some of which live on Rikers Island. That's directly in the flight path of LaGuardia Airport. Now, the perilous result of this plan was seen on Thursday when the same breed of geese, Canada geese, downed U.S. Airways Flight 1549. Now, maybe our lawmakers should focus on preventing such tragedies rather than empowering groups that seem to care more about the birds than the safety of Americans. All right, we continue now with our Great American Panel. All right, guys, look, we all saw today for the first time just how amazing this pilot was in the landing of this airline. Here's what's frustrating. We discussed this earlier in the program, and that is, you know something? I live on Long Island. I live not far from LaGuardia Airport. Now, you see, look at this landing. It's, the fact that everybody got out of that airplane is such a blessing. But anyway, we have a lot of Canada geese on Long Island and around Rikers Island, in other words, in the flight path of LaGuardia Airport. Then we find out Chuck Schumer gets an earmark, $200,000, you know, to go to Geese Peace, a group that wants to, you know, save the geese. And I'm like, get rid of the geese so that humans can live. You know, should we hold them accountable
Sean,
for this?
I got to tell you, I'm not a bird person. I had two birds. I didn't care when they both died. But let me tell you, it was a big mistake. But we used to have a house in Breezy Point, you know, near Rockaway. Yeah. And there was piping plovers there. And the piping plovers are little birds that run really fast all over the place, and they really don't have much use. Right. But they wouldn't clean the beaches till the 4th of July so the piping plovers could nest. Hey, so people are like, get the piping plover. Who cares? It's ridiculous the amount of money they get to the birds. I got to tell
you something. If this happens again because we didn't get rid of the geese this time, then whoever's responsible for not doing it is going to be responsible for the deaths of people on these airplanes.
Which is why we got to get rid of earmarks.
Get rid of the geese.
The geese and the earmarks.
And the piping plovers.
Yeah, them too.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It is
this is madness.
It is.
Now, look, Eric, I have a solution as a compassionate conservative. Maybe we can capture all the geese and, you know, use them to feed people in homeless shelters.
Yeah,
good idea.
We've got a lot of homeless. They're lining up in Washington right now. You know,
no, they're being hidden in Washington right now, according to reports.
True. You know, my in-laws' house is invaded by Canadian geese all the time, and you can't touch them. They're a federally protected species, apparently.
Listen, I said they come in my backyard. I send those dogs right out there. Boom, scares the living daylights out of them.
The problem I have is growing up in Manhattan, the only thing I knew that were like geese were pigeons. So this is a little new for me.
I'm not a pit. They're a save the pigeon, but they're all on your side of the fence, Doug. You know, these are your friends
in the... It's tough to make geese a partisan issue, Sean.
Oh, all right. Now...